Hello everyone, welcome to Bioboard classes. In today's lesson, we are studying the evolution of the excretory system. We will see how living organisms remove waste, balance water and salts, and how this system became more advanced through evolution. Let's begin with a very basic question. Why do organisms even need excretion? All organisms must remove nitrogenous waste, maintain water balance, and regulate salts. In simple creatures, diffusion is enough, but as animals grew larger and more complex, specialized excretory structures evolved. So let's start at the very beginning, the simplest organism, the protozoa. In protozoa, like amoeba, waste products simply diffuse out, but in freshwater forms, water constantly enters the cell by osmosis. To deal with this, they evolved contractile vacuoles, little pumps that expel excess water. As we move to multicellular organisms, diffusion alone is not enough. This is where the first excretory organ appears in flatworms, such as planaria, use a system called protonephridia. These are networks of tubules with specialized flame cells that drive fluid out. They remove excess water, small wastes, but lack a separate exit for the coelom. This system was simple. In segmented worms, evolution took a step further with metanephridia. In earthworms and other annelids, they developed metanephridia. Unlike protonephridia, metanephridia open both into the body cavity and outside. They filter coelomic fluid, reabsorb useful substances, and excrete the rest. This is a big step towards the complexity of kidneys. Meanwhile, in insects, a completely different solution evolved. Insects don't have a kidney. Instead, they use Malpighian tubules attached to their gut. These tubules extract nitrogenous waste and convert it into uric acid, which is excreted with feces. Uric acid is nearly solid, conserving water, a perfect adaptation for terrestrial life. Now let's step into vertebrates, where the kidney itself evolves stage by stage. Vertebrate kidney evolved from simple to complex. Fishes excrete ammonia directly into water, so they need little energy but lose lots of water. Amphibians switch to excreting urea, which is less toxic and suits land water life. Reptiles and birds produce uric acid to conserve water in dry environments. Finally, mammals like us excrete urea using highly advanced kidneys with nephrons that balance efficiency and water conservation. Let's zoom in for a moment on the human kidney, the most advanced version. The functional unit of kidney is the nephron. Each nephron filters blood at the glomerulus, reabsorbs water and nutrients in the tubules, secretes waste, and finally produces urine. This system allows fine-tuned balance of water, salts, and pH. But even among vertebrates, special adaptation evolved for survival in extreme conditions. Desert animals like kangaroo rats have extremely long loops of Henle to concentrate urine and conserve every drop of water. Crocodiles and marine birds have salt glands to excrete extra salt. Aquatic animals like freshwater fish excrete ammonia directly, and birds and reptiles, as mentioned, produce uric acid paste, minimizing water loss. These adaptations show how excretion is fine-tuned to environment. To tie everything together, let's compare the major systems across evolution. From contractile vacuoles in protozoa, flame cells in flatworms, metanephridia in annelids, Malpighian tubules in insects, to kidneys in vertebrates, excretory systems clearly show an evolutionary ladder of complexity. Each solution fits the habitat and the energy needs of the organism. The excretory system evolved from simple diffusion to highly specialized kidney, whether it's vacuoles, nephridia, tubules, or nephrons. Every structure solves the same challenge, that is, removing waste and conserving water. Evolution shaped excretion to match survival strategies in every environment. That's it for today's lecture. Thank you for watching.